Hi budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today I am going to draw and narrate the backstory of the character named Flumbo from the game Garten of Banban. Flumbo is a unique character in the world of Givanium, a human with distinctive traits. As a member of the underground family, his occupation as a monster sets him apart in the Garten of Banban 8. Unlike his counterpart Banban, Flumbo lacks the signature party hats and sports a striking blue hue. What distinguishes him further are the vibrant yellow markings around his mouth and eyes, reminiscent of a beard and eyelashes. This combination of features gives Flumbo a singular appearance, blending humanoid characteristics with intriguing alien elements within the aspects of Givanium. In the underground family picture, it's revealed to the player that another image is hidden behind Banban's cutout. When the player removes Banban's picture, they see the blue character Flumbo. The player has now seen and heard a few pieces of information about him. Flumbo was kept as a secret. Based on what happened, it seems like Flumbo might replace Banban. Nobody knows whether he could be the original mascot of the kindergarten instead of Banban. It might become Flumbo's kindergarten instead of Banban's. Come, I will walk you through the gameplay. When the players walk through the hallways, they see the words "blue is true" and "red replacement" on the walls. Eventually, they confront Flumbo in a cell, where he confirms he was the original version of Banban before Banban ever existed. His place was once called Flumbo's kindergarten. He reveals that only Syringan knows about him and had hidden him away to conceal the truth. Flumbo requests the players to release him so they can set things right. He tells them they need to find the keycard to his cell, which is located in the color room. After creating the blue and yellow keycard, the players return to Flumbo's cell and unlock it. Flumbo expresses gratitude and urges them to hurry. Suddenly, the lights go out, and they see two white eyes in the darkness. When the lights come back on, they see a terrifying version of Flumbo. The players must escape quickly before he catches them. After escaping the horrifying Flumbo, the players find an exit and board an elevator to ascend to safety.
Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.